Even though the peacock is my spirit animal, the hat must come off. Ta-da! And most of y'all are used to seeing, you know, my very conservative hairstyle, you know, for a long time. But most of you guys don't realize is that I was pretty damn near bald. And as much as I really didn't have a problem with it, and the plan was always to, whenever I got to the point where I couldn't hide my baldness anymore, was to shave it off. I thought to myself, why? I would like to keep my hair. I'm in the anti-aging business. Like we always say, is getting old is a decision. And I wanted to keep my hair. It wasn't because I needed to. That's always a funny question I get. Why did you need to? I didn't need to. I'm not in the need business. I don't live my life in the need mentality. It's the want. And I guess I just don't understand and never have why guys are ashamed of, one, hair loss, and two, doing something about it. We're actually bringing surgical hair transplant replacement to Alpha Male Clinic. I've been working on this for 6 months now. It's probably gonna be another 6 months. But in the meantime, I decided, okay, I'm actually the spokesman for Alpha Male transformations for this clinic, for weight loss, for changing your life. Why wouldn't I be the spokesman for hair loss and for hair replacement? So that's what I did. I'm on day 15 right now of my hair replacement surgery. I went down to a renowned surgeon, actually been on Dr. Oz out in Fort Lauderdale. It took me 6 months to get on his list, and I had it done 15 days ago. It was wild. 2,000 grafts, 6,000 follicles of hair put in various spots, especially back here. This is all brand new hair here. My hairline, this is all brand new hair. Now, apparently what's supposed to happen, what I've been told, is in the next week, the hair is actually going to die and fall out. And a month, 2 months later, it will grow back in. So I'm gonna be rocking a buzz cut for the next 3-4 months. So the glorious mane of hair that you're used to seeing with me. Matter of fact, it's kind of funny. The surgeon said, and he's, like I said, he's a famous hair surgeon. He says, Clifton, he says, all my clients, I've never seen anyone who's so good at hiding their bald spot as you are. We'll actually put we'll put some photos in this thread so you can see. But it's pretty. I got to the point where I couldn't hide it anymore. So the choice was mine. I'm either going to shave this thing off and make it on purpose, or I'm going to do something about it. And I decided to do something about it. So I'm actually going to document this journey every couple of weeks, every month. I'm going to do videos, some photos, so that you can kind of see the process to where I can get back to my big afro of nice flowing hair. Guys, no reason to be ashamed about this. Do something about it. We have the science, we have the technology. So many guys I sit down with every day derive a lot of self-confidence from their hair. You don't have to let it go, and you don't have to be ashamed about it either. So follow the journey, guys. I'm looking forward to it myself.